All right. Okay, guys, you can see this is how we flip accounts from 370 to $900. Okay, so I want to be making like $1,000 from this very trade. All right, you can see that. So I'll show you guys my reasons for this trade. It's pretty simple. You can flip account as well. I'll show you guys how to do the flipping in maybe the next video, but I'll show you guys everything you need to know about my strategy. Okay. So make sure that you watch the video to the end, smash the like button, subscribe, join the free Telegram channel, and let's make money together, guys. All right, so look at this. This is my entry right there, and my SL for my people, my TP1 where you have the green line, okay, and TP2 down here. So you can see that very simple. Now, the target is to make about $1,000. Let's say from here to this place, we have about $16. If I'm making $16 for my first entry, and I make about $26 here, I'll be making like how much? I'm making like $1,600 or more. Okay, so we're on like $550. All right, yeah. So we make it more, all right, or more than that 1,600. I don't really know. So now this is my reason for the trade. You can see if I can delete everything. I'm not sure I'll be able to delete everything. Let's stay on the 4 hours time frame. On the 4 hours time frame, we have market going down. As it's going down, this is the key level I believe market will be getting to before reversing. Market will get to this point before the reversal, right? So I know the market is coming to this level. Then instead of me to just ignore the market to start coming down here without doing anything, I decided to take make an entry open, to take the trade all the way down to this point. Now you check, since the market is going down, I can see the clear market direction, and we have a key level where market would want to take the liquidity around this level for the first buyers. For the first buyers will be here placing their SL right here. Then market will take them out, take their money out, and to drop down to this point. Around this point, I'm looking at buying from this point again, because whether you like it or yes, this is an uptrend. This is an uptrend. This is an uptrend. We're still having a trend like this. This is an uptrend, guys. So still looking at buying, because this is an uptrend until we break this level, which is a liquidity level where they are trying to take people's money, and then we break this level. This level is broken. That's when we see this as a downtrend. As long as this low is still valid, it's still an uptrend. As long as this low has not been taken out, it's still an uptrend. All right, so this is how we flip accounts. So now another reason why I sold from that point, you see, the first reason is I'm looking at market dropping down to this point before buying again. Okay, so it's for me to just wait while it's coming down, decide to take the trade all the way down to this point. Now on the lower time frame, the 30 minutes time frame, we see we have something like a retest around that level. We have a retest around this level. You can see markets just went down and went up again to kiss this zone. After kissing this zone, it's dropping now, right? It's dropping. You can see that market is dropping now from that level. So I waited for market to kiss that level. Then on the 15 minutes time frame, I made an entry. Immediately this first candlestick closed, I made an entry. We opened positions. I opened positions from that level all the way down. All right, so I waited for the retest, took the market from the retest, and then we have something here, the last up candlestick, which is a supply zone. So I decided to sell from that zone, and we are in deep profit. That's simple, guys, very simple. And my SL all the way up here, and we know that we're smashing this level. And I've given this signal to my VIP. Let me show you guys. Okay, so this is my VIP channel. I've given it to my VIP. Look at that sell. And immediately we started selling, market started dropping. So with the best, guys. So we're still running deep profit, guys. We're still running deep profits. Still on $500 profits. Still on $500 profit. So we flip accounts over here. We flip accounts. So on $500 profits. You can see that. Real shit, bro. Yeah, we're on $900. So we're looking at flipping, making like $1,000 or more. If we can smash our TP, that's what it is, guys. That's what it is, guys. So that's simple, guys. You can see you can do the same thing. You can do the same thing. So I open plenty positions right there. I open plenty position. And another thing, when you're opening position, you need to take note of your margin. Be sure that you don't over leverage your account. All right. You take note of your margin so that in case it reverses, it does not take you out completely. All right. Because and also you need to have a very good entry. Your entry must be very, very smart, like a very good entry, a very nice entry where you know that there's a pressure, and as it's going, it's not reversing anytime soon. Okay, like you see market was coming down, and I saw this green candlestick. Market started going up a bit. When it started rejecting, I knew that it would be going down. I started opening position there, and you can see since after this very candlestick, market has not gone back to that point again. It's going down. So flipping an account is very simple. If you have a good entry, this is something you need to learn. This is something you need to learn, and you need to be intentional about it. Okay, you need to be intentional about how to make good entry, because when you're flipping an account, entry is the most important thing you need to know. You need to learn entry, and you need to understand top-down analysis. Top-down analysis is very important. Okay, if you want to succeed in trading. So that's it, guys. Smash the like button, subscribe. I don't have enough space, that's why I make this video very short. I'll clear my my gallery and clear some stuff so as to get more enough space to make longer video for you guys. So I'll make another video on how to do stacking and all. Okay, smash the like button, subscribe, join the free Telegram channel. Let's make money, guys.